Hello, today we will guide you through how to make demo account in XM. To get started, open XM in your browser and make sure you're on the main member area or home page where the account options are available. This is the starting point for creating a demo account, and from here you'll be able to access the trading sections needed for setup. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait until all menu items are visible so you can follow along smoothly. Once you're on the site, click on Markets. This section is where XM organizes trading-related options, and it's the place you'll use to begin creating another account. Taking this route helps you get to the account creation tools without needing to search around the platform. After that, look for the drop-down button and click it. This drop-down usually reveals more actions or account options that are not immediately visible on the main screen. If you don't see it right away, take a quick look around the top or side area of the page, depending on how the site is displayed on your device. When the menu opens, click on Create New Account. This tells the platform that you want to open an additional account rather than just viewing the existing account area. Make sure you select the correct option here so you move into the new account setup flow. Next, choose Demo. This is the important part if your goal is to practice trading without using real funds. A demo account is useful for getting familiar with the platform, testing strategies, and learning the interface before moving on to any live trading environment. After selecting Demo, click Continue. This moves you to the next stage of setup. At this point, the platform may begin asking for more account preferences, so be ready to review each screen carefully before moving forward. On the following screen, choose your trader option, then click Continue again. This step helps define the account type or trading environment you want to use for your demo account. It's a good idea to read the available choices before confirming, so the account matches what you want to practice with. From there, continue by following the procedure shown on your own screen. The remaining setup may vary slightly depending on your location, device, or XM's current interface, so just complete each prompt as it appears. Take your time, review the information before submitting anything, and proceed through the final screens until the demo account is created. And that's it. You've now gone through the process of creating a demo account in XM.